This is our boat from Israel. So the car has just arrived in Thessaloniki. We are heading back home. That's the ground. Vicky's coming back to the homeland after 3 years. Proud for you, Vicky. You've done it.
We'll see you down the road. What I want to do is I want to tell everybody where we are.
We are in Kavala.
Yay!
We were here in 2008 last time.
Yep.
On the way back from the epic journey.
Yeah.
And now we are back 2022 on the way back from 4321 highway.
This is why I love Greece. For him and free desserts. Look at that. Even in Greece we go over the water.
Alright, back in Greece. We haven't been filming for a while, but this is our spot for the night outside Maronia. It's sunset time, and as you can see up in the tent, I don't know if you can see it, Roro is already in bed. 7:30 today. Roro is pretending to be sick, so she gets to bed.
Welcome to Turkey!
We are in Turkey!
We are now!
We did a bit of a loop. Instead of going from Cyprus to Turkey, we went from Thessaloniki through Greece for a week vacation, now back to Turkey.
No complaints here.
No complaints.
We're on a boat. Where are we going? There he is, 8 years later, and he still looks the same.
Alright. First overnight in Turkey. After we cross, we had found an abandoned Second World War, how you call it, cannon thing, artillery, and we are in the entrance of the straits. Yep, my wife found a Gallipoli cannon to play with, and now she's shooting at her own people.
Where are we?
We are in Haifa. This way. Or not?
We're going? Yes. Okay,
I don't know.
let's go.
Did you change your mind again? Did you?
Yeah,
I
give me
think you
up.
did.
Waterfront.
There is Roro filming.
It's a bit short.
Very good. Çok güzel.
Çok güzel, çok güzel.
Hanging out in Pamukkale. 8 years ago we were here. We can stay in this lovely establishment. Times are tough. We're now camping in a restaurant, which makes it very convenient. Where are you going?
I'm checking out the Pamukkale.
Pamukkale. Is that warm? Huh.
I'm wondering about where the 3,000 people wash their feet.
My boss is getting that.
Alright, what you see in front of you is Rochelle is taking pictures of our hotel that we were here in 2014, 8 years ago.
We just spoke to the owner and he renovated it. He bought it 6 years ago and completely renovated it. When we came here last time, we drove our car, put it behind there, and we slept in the room at the back. How much?
135.
135. How much is that?
8 euros.
8 euros for all this food and drinkies. 8 years ago we camped here.
Oh, you came?
We literally drove in
with
the
the car?
river, Becky.
Yeah.
Same. Right in here.
Yeah.
In the pomegranate plantation.
Explorers, we are exploring the bush. This is the sarcophagus of Andimachus. Not sure how they found out. And this is Roro exploring. Look at her hand. She's doing all the right moves. Yeah, she's a DJ. He used to be a DJ. Yeah. So Shirley does the walk. As usual, holding her phone. So she's ruining my footage. But there she goes. Soup's kitchen. Morning.
How are you?
I'm having casties.
Oh, it's a perfect spot.
Yeah. Check the view.
I'll be only taking a video.
Overland Diaries mission in climbing on the Lycian Way, or Lycian Path, one of the two, Lycian Trail, sorry, the Lycian Trail. As I was saying, as you can see, Rochelle is in her uniform, her trekking uniform. The weird part is she's actually wearing shoes and a knee pad because her knee is not feeling very well. And we're heading, as you can see, up there. Yeah, guess what Roro is doing? We get to this exciting point where cannot wait, so we just film each other filming. Eight years back, Rochelle is back in Los Angeles. She's not grumpy this time because she hasn't lost her GoPro, but as usual she's still shopping. This is our camp for the night. It's apparently a turtle nesting beach somewhere outside between Mamaris and Fedir. I don't remember how exactly it's called. The water looks clear, more clear than drinkable, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be freezing.
We are in the River Restaurant.
The River Restaurant.
And we are very impressed.
Yeah.
It's freezing cold. So much so that it's the breeze coming off the water is about 12 degrees. So that we're sitting over an air conditioner.
But it's clear.
It's crystal clear.
Well, you are the longest in there.
What did you get?
Sugar.
What did I get?
Sugar.
Where from?
Australia.
Austria, yeah. This is Austria in Turkish cheese market.
Cheese market. wish you were here. We're having a hubbly bubbly. What you call Iskandar. Go. I like the little, yeah, nice office. Are we in the Caribbean?